Hello friends and welcome to this video as we look at functions in Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the absolute function. My name is Mercy Consolator Kello. Let's get started. So the absolute function, represented as ABS in Excel, returns the absolute value of a number. It helps you to convert negative numbers to positive numbers, and the positive numbers remain the same or unchanged. Let's take a look at how to use it. So in a cell where you want your values to appear, just enter in equals, then ABS, select it, and then the number you want to make adjustments on, close the brackets, press enter. We can autofill using the fill handle here by double clicking, and as you can see, this negative value, for example in cell A5, has been converted to positive. Likewise the one in A3, A8, A9, and then lastly A11, all have been converted into positive values, and the positive values have remained as positive. So that's how you can make use of the absolute function. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.